Hello friends, myself Professor G.B. Bhagat from Department of Electronics, KBP College, Pandharpur. Today we are going to study addressing modes of 8051 microcontroller. Addressing mode is nothing but the way in which data sources or destination addresses are specified in the mnemonics that moves the data. There are four addressing modes in this microcontroller 8051, that is immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode and indirect addressing mode. Let us see one by one in detail. First, immediate addressing mode. In this mode, the value of constant can follow the opcode in the program memory. For example, move a comma hash 05h, that is here 05 data will be directly transferred to accumulator. Then here in this mode the hash sign is the designator. These are 8 bits except for DPTR contents because DPTR is 16 bit. The next, there are some another examples of this mode. For example, move a comma hash 0 f1h, here it will move the data f1 in accumulator. The next, move dptr comma hash 0 abcdh, that is here 16 bit data abcd will be loaded in dptr. Similarly, we can use another type of example, that is move r3 comma hash 1c, here 1c data will be loaded into register r3. The next, another type of addressing mode, that is register instructions. Register banks can be accessed by 3-bit register specification within the opcode of the instruction. Code efficient instructions, as this mode eliminates an address byte. Examples of this mode are move a comma r0, here data of register r0 will be transferred to accumulator. Similarly, another example, move r5 comma a, that is here contents of accumulator will be transferred to register r5. The next, direct addressing mode. Here in this mode the operand is specified by 8-bit address field. Internal data RAM and SFRs can be directly addressed in this mode. Again, all internal bytes of internal RAM and the SFRs may be addressed directly using the simple byte address assigned to each RAM location and each special function register. Internal RAM uses addresses from 00h to 7fh to address each byte. SFR exists from address 80h to ffh. Examples of this direct addressing mode are like this: move a comma 80h, here contents of address 80h will be transferred to the accumulator. Similarly, next example, move 80h comma a, here contents of accumulator will be transferred to the address 80h. The next, move 3ah comma hash 3ah, here hash 3ah is the data and the another 3ah only is the address, that is the data 3a will be transferred to the memory location directly 3ah. The next example, move 0a8h comma hash, here contents of memory location 77 will be transferred to the address a8h. Another examples of direct addressing mode are move r0 comma 12h, here contents of memory location 12 will be transferred to register r0. The next example, move 8ch comma r7, contents of r7 will be transferred to memory location 8c. And in the next example, contents of accumulator will be transferred to memory location 5ch. The next addressing mode, that is indirect addressing mode. In this mode, the instruction specifies a register that contains the address of the operand. Both internal and external RAM can be indirectly addressed in this mode. Address register can be R0 or R1 of a selected register bank, or the stack pointer for 8-bit and DPTR for 16-bit address. In indirect addressing mode, it is designated as @RI, where I is either 0 or 1 and uses the contents of register R0 or R1 in the selected register bank to specify the address. Other form is at A using accumulator contents. Examples of this indirect addressing mode are move A comma at R0. Here contents of the memory location which is stored in R0 will be transferred to the accumulator. The next example, move at R1 comma hash 35. Here the number or the content 35 will be directly transferred to the address which is stored in R1. Next example is move at R0 comma 80. Here contents of address 80 will be transferred to the address which is stored at register R0. The next example, move address comma at R0. Here contents of the address which is stored in R0 will be transferred to the particular address which is specified in the memory, which is specified in the instruction. Then move at R1 comma A. Here contents of accumulator will be transferred or loaded into the address which is specified in register R1. So these are the various addressing modes that are used for 8051 microcontroller. Thank you very much.